Supply chain security is about applying security to all the components, activities, and processes when creating and releasing software. This includes the often overlooked areas such as third-party code libraries and also the infrastructure and developmental tools we sometimes take for granted. When you think of the overall amount of work effort it takes to build modern-day software, the people, process and technology, it actually can feel overwhelming when considering applying any security. Adding time pressures, deadlines for solution releases and business commitments, a careful balance is needed, choosing the right amount of security while allowing the business to remain efficient. In any process, there will be weaknesses, and it can take only one weakness to be exploited to let the attacker in to steal the source code, destroy data, or hold a company to ransom. The entire process is usually referred to as SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle, describing the design through to release of software. And in the process, it's common practice to leverage existing technology across the SDLC. For example, when building and developing a solution, the project may use open source code as part of the product. Open source code is existing code created by developers who you've probably never met. That code is shared and is available to the public and exists to foster growth and collaboration globally. For the most part, as long as the open source code works in a project, little mention is given. In fact, it's fair to say open source is taken for granted. Within the SDLC, we have to somehow squeeze in security too. Another example can be when deploying a solution. A solution can be hosted in a cloud environment, and these cloud environments are owned and managed for the most part by a third-party provider. Each time we become reliant upon a third party to fulfill a solution requirement, we lose a little control and gain a little risk. We may not realise it, as the business justification and benefit will outweigh all others, often including security.